The whole world you see, sometimes they think that if I get my income, say $1,000, I will be satisfied. But as soon as he gets 1,000, he wants 100,000. Everywhere, all over the world, the worker class, they are given increment, but again they undergo strike, more wages, more wages, more wages. So, but as soon as they get more money, here in these Western countries, then they will utilize it for lust and greediness, that's all. They do not know how to utilize money. That a millionaire is so lusty, I have seen in Paris, they are going to some clubs. What is the business in that club? Old men, they are going, so lusty that they enter the club by paying $50. And then there is young woman and wine, and that is their pleasure. Lust, kama, lobha, dayasya. One thing, one side, they are not satisfied. Even they have got millions of dollars, still I want, still I want, still I want. This is one side, greediness, lobha, and the other side is lust. This is called kama, lobha, dayasya. So, become Krishna conscious means immediately, that is the test. Immediately he will become free from lust and greediness. If he is not free from lust and greediness, he is making a show, he is not Krishna conscious. This is the test. If one is actually advancing Krishna consciousness, then these two symptoms will be visible in his character. No more lusty, no more greediness. He should be satisfied with one wife or one husband. Why hankering after others? That is lusty. That means it is not on the stage of Krishna consciousness, it is in the material platform. These are the tests. Therefore, we advise our students, voluntarily you try or you become free from these things, illicit sex, intoxication, meat eating, and gambling. Because indulging in these four things, you will remain in darkness. So voluntarily you have to try to give up these bad habits and at the same time to maintain yourself on the platform, you have to chant 16 rounds. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. This is the process. Tadarajastamo bhava kamulobha dayasya. Then the result will be there. Cheta etairanavidyam. Maya is attacking you. With this daivichesa gunamai mama maya duruttaya. Gunamai. Guna means these qualities, the three modes of nature. The material nature is gunamai. Gunamai means involved or full of these three modes of material nature. Gunamai. Maya means just like golden. It is smeared with gold. Or it is gold. You can say golden. Golden means it is made of gold or it is covered with gold glittering. Similarly, this Maya, this material nature is made of these three modes of nature. Sattva, Rajatama. Therefore it is called Gunamai. Another meaning of Guna is rope. Just like you have seen rope, there are three layers and they are twisted very strong and such rope becomes strong. So similarly, these three gunas, these three modes of nature are twisted like rope and we are bound up. You cannot get out. Devichesa gunamai mama maya duruttaya. If your hands and legs are tied with such rope, then it is very difficult. Similarly, we are all bound up We are declaring freedom and so many things, nonsense we are speaking, but we have forgotten that we are under the grip of this Maya. Immediately you can be overcome by Maya. Maya is so strong. So therefore, by this process, Sinnadhang Sakata Krishna Punnasavana Kirtan Riddhantasthya Vadrani Vidhunati Suitsata Nasta Prayeshu Avadreshu Nityang Bhagavata Sevaya. This is the process. Nityang, daily, or 24 hours, by studying Srimad Bhagavatam or associating with devotees, Bhagavata Sevaya, Bhakti, Bhagavati Uttama Sloki, Bhakti Bhavati Naistiki. Then the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bhagavati, Uttama Sloke, Bhakti Bhavati, devotional service becomes strong and fixed. Simply by this process. Here, there is no necessity of education or PhD degree. Simply, God has given you these ears and you hear. Sinnatha. Hear about Krishna from their life soul. This process will make you to be situated on the platform of goodness. And as soon as you are promoted to the platform of goodness, that means you have already surpassed the other two platforms, means ignorance. And the symptom will be, that is clear here, the symptom is that the two things, lust and greediness, will not disturb you. You haven't got to take certificate from anyone. Just give me certificate that I have become Krishna conscious. You take your certificate yourself. See yourself. Whether you are free from lust and greediness. If you are confident that I am free from lust and greediness, then I am making progress. Otherwise, I am again in the same. No progress. This is test. This is test. If we want to cheat others, that is a different thing. That I have become very advanced in Krishna consciousness, that is another thing. Cheating. But you test yourself by this process. Whether you are free from lust and greediness. This is the test. Tadarajastamo bhava. And when you become free from these two things, lust and greediness, tada cheta etairanavidya sthitam satte prasidati. Cheta, consciousness, not being attacked by these two nonsense things, ignorance and passion. Cheta etairanavidyam, vidham means piercing. They are always piercing, pinching. Come on. They are pinching. But if you are actually situated in Krishna consciousness, these things will not pinch you. Tada, cheta etaira, because everything is in the heart. Whole thing is cleansing the heart. The heart is being pinched. I am beautiful boy, I am beautiful girl. Why not come? But this is pinching. If you are actually situated on the platform of Krishna consciousness, not fully, little advanced, then these things will be visible. Tada cheta etai anavidyam. And when you stop, when you are able to stop this pinching in your heart by these two modes of material nature, passion and greediness, tada cheta etai anavidyam sthita satte prasidati. Then you become joyful. That is the stage of joyfulness. Brahma bhuta prasannatma na sojati na kankhati samas sarveshu bhuteshu madbhakti lavati pana.